These micro camera animal videos are going extremely viral on social media these days. In fact, this Instagram page has already gained more than 143,000 followers just by uploading micro camera animal videos. So in today's video, I'll show you the complete process step by step so that you can create these viral videos yourself. But before we begin, please make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell. First, open ChatGPT. Then go to the GPT section and search for micro camera animal. Open the GPT and simply type start. ChatGPT will suggest some ideas. Choose the idea you like the most, copy it, and send it back to ChatGPT. ChatGPT will then provide you with 1 image prompt and 5 video prompts. Copy the image prompt. Now open Flow AI and go to the image section. Select the 9:16 aspect ratio and make sure to select OmniFlash at the bottom. Paste the image prompt and click on Send. Within a few moments, Flow AI will generate a stunning high-quality image for you. Press and hold the image, then click on Animate and paste the video prompt. In a short time, Flow AI will generate the video for you. Play the video, and at the very end, you'll see an option at the top. Click on it to download the video. After downloading, go back, click on the image again, select Animate, and copy the next video prompt from ChatGPT. Then return to Flow AI, paste the prompt, and click on Send. Repeat this process until all the clips are generated. Once all the clips are ready, download them and import them into any editing software. Arrange all the clips properly and export the final video. And there you have it, your viral video is ready. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like. Don't forget to subscribe and become a part of our growing family. Your support means everything to us and motivates us to create even more amazing content for you. Also, let us know your thoughts in the comment section because every single comment inspires us to keep creating better videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.